Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Lava phone setting friends, and today friends I am going to show you guys Lava phone hotspot full setting. Friends, you want to set up your mobile hotspot, so how to set up mobile hotspot on Lava phone in this video friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, scroll it. Friends, click on hotspot setting. Friends, click on Wi-Fi hotspot. First of all friends, you can on and you can use your hotspot from here. After on friends, first you can check your Lava phone friends hotspot device name, and friends you want to change your hotspot device name on your Lava phone, so you can change. So I will change into Lava phone and okay. Friends, you can see hotspot password. Friends, you want to check, you want to view your hotspot password, you can check. And friends, you want to set new password, so friends you can set new password on your Lava phone. Click here friends, your password will change. Friends, you can see your mobile hotspot QR code. Friends, you want to share your Lava phone hotspot, so friends you can share this nearby device. Friends, you can share this mobile hotspot. Friends, you can see manage device setting. Friends, you can see device limit. Friends, you want to set here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Friends, if you click 2, so only 2 device will connect to your Lava phone. So friends, you can change and you can set your device limit from here. Friends, you can see turn off hotspot automatically. Friends, you want to on and off, so you can on and off from here. So guys, now we will off it. So like that friends, you can set up friends your mobile hotspot on your Lava phone device. So I hope friends you understood how to set up mobile hotspot on Lava phone. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.